Okay, so let's take a look at how you can use price list widget in Elementor Pro. So what we'll do is we will go to one of the pages which we wish to edit and edit it with Elementor. So it should be something like this. Okay, this is sample page and I don't have any widget here dropped. So go to this Pro widget section, and here we have to check for price list, drop it on this area. Now here on left hand side you see items and you can continue to add them. So click on first item. Let's change this to something like, let's say, pencil. You can add some description or even image, and then you can add link for that. Okay, similarly what you can do, you can also adjust the price. Okay, and then you move on to second item. So here second item, let's say notebook. Then third item, let's say, scroll back. Okay, now we added the items. We can also style this. We can change the font for title. So let's say if I want something different, so we will add blue or maybe reddish. Okay, so let's go with a bit orange and update this. Okay, now we will take a look at changes. So preview page shows this. Okay, currently it is full width considering I have blank canvas here. So depending on your page size, this may shrink in a bit. Okay, so here's your menu for the items, and on right hand side you will find the price listing, and below you will find the description. You can edit accordingly, and you can also make the changes to appear or not on responsive layout in advanced settings. For responsive you can hide or show, and then update the settings. So you get the idea how to use price list widget in Elementor Pro.